It's been like 3 weeks since I had these fog lights in, and I like how they look in the nighttime too. They're very bright. I'd recommend them for a couple of people. I know a couple of people were telling me that they like it and they might get it for their car. So, as you can see, give the car a little clean. This car shines. I'm gonna take it out into the sun, show you guys how it's looking. So here's how it's looking in the sun. Maybe it's a little too bright for you guys to see, but no, I feel like it's good. I like this color so much. Graphite pearl. I know this color was only made for the 2007 base model. And if I'm correct, I'm the only one in Toronto, or the Greater Toronto area, that has this color. You will find this color, but you won't find the exact color. Car looks very nice. A couple more things I'm doing to this for the summer. Still have to put on my rims, my lip. I have the spoiler right here. I've been waiting to put it on for a while now. See, it's all colored to my color and everything. Been waiting to put it on. It's just not hot enough. And what I have to do is I have to apply the 3M tape, the double side tape, and stick it on and make sure it's hot enough so that it will stay on, because if not, it will just fly off one day on the highway or something. A lot more stuff coming with this car. Stay tuned.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.